This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. Morning guys, September 19th, 2018. This one here, I got a call for a leaking drain. Second floor apartment. I have worked at this lady's house before. That's the lady that had the leak in the ceiling from the second floor toilet. The lead pipe was all put like an epoxy patch on it. Oh, the lady. Anyway, she got the tenant on the second floor has got a leak under the sink. So I'm on my way over there. I lost the baby dog over the weekend. She died on me on Sunday morning. She had a heart attack. So she's no longer going to be in the videos. I'm in the process of looking for another dog. It was a tough weekend for me. She must have had congested heart failure because she woke up having a hard time breathing, and I was on my way to take her to an emergency vet hospital, and she died in my truck. So, like I said, that was a tough weekend for me. She was a good little dog, good rescue dog, but she's no longer with me. Anyway, I try to get you some shots if I can. Looks like the pipe's rotted. I should be able to take that out and just get another piece. Sucker's heavy. Wow. Wow. That's pretty bad. Holy cow. Definitely where it's leaking. Wow. Look at that. Yeehaw. That's real bad. I'll have to run out and get another one. Get another one, same exact thing. New washers, and we'll put it back together. That's wicking, not even a gasket. Yeah, that goes right in there like that. Hi-hat washer. should do it. There's an old faucet, man. It's an older lady, I mean, she ain't got no money, so you just do minimum you have to. A rental. Heavy. You want to see what the pipe looked like inside? Look at all the grease.
Oh my God.
That's all full of grease. You dumping grease down there?
No, I don't. I don't. I have a
Look at it though.
can.
I mean, it's bad, huh? I mean, it's heavy. I can.
That is bad.
That's really, really bad.
No, I have a jar I put it into.
That's what that looks like, but maybe not. I don't know.
Unless it was there before me.
She's still not leaking. That's good. Did a patch, remember? Still hasn't fixed it, but get there. It worked.